Good afternoon all of you, and today topic is aldehyde and ketones. Aldehyde and ketones. Aldehyde and ketone contain a carbonyl group, this carbon double bond oxygen, and they are collectively known as carbonyl compounds. The carbon double bond oxygen, this is the carbonyl group. Next is nomenclature of aldehyde and ketone. The first series is aldehyde. General formula is RCHO. Here R is alkyl group, have general formula CnH2n plus 1, and IUPAC name of aldehyde is alkanal. Alk is word root, N is primary suffix, and al is secondary suffix. The functional group is al, and first member of this series R equal to H भी पुट कर सकते हैं क्योंकि कार्बन की वैलेंसी 4 सेटिस्फाई है यहाँ पे. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द IUPAC नेम द वर्ड रूट इज मिथेनल. कॉमन सिस्टम के अंदर कोई रूल नहीं होता, तो H है तो फॉर्म लगाएंगे और फॉर्म के पीछे लगाएंगे एल्डिहाइड, फॉर्मल्डिहाइड विच इज ए गैस. सेकंड मेंबर 1 पुट करेंगे एल्काइल ग्रुप के अंदर, तो CH3 CHO. द IUPAC नेम 1 2 वर्ड रूट ईथ, प्राइमरी स्पिक्स एन, सेकेंडरी स्पिक्स अल, इथेनल. कॉमन नेम के लिए कोई रूल नहीं है. जब मिथाइल हो तो एसिड वर्ड लगाओ, एसिड, और पीछे एल्डिहाइड लगा दो, एस्टल्डिहाइड. नेक्स्ट मेंबर इज द CH3 CH2 CHO. 1 2 3 word root is prop, N is primary suffix, al is secondary suffix. This is IUPAC name is propanol. एंड कॉमन नेम के लिए कोई रूल नहीं होता. जब इथाइल हो वर्ड याद रखो प्रोपियोन, और एल्डिहाइड पीछे लगा दो, प्रोपियोन एल्डिहाइड. अनदर एग्जांपल CH3 CH the CHO. IUPAC num start from the function of 1 2 3 4. Word root is but, 2 in 1 al. This is the IUPAC name, and common name is croton aldehyde. The aromatic aldehydes, the example is CH double bond CH CHO. IUPAC name 1 2 3 3 पोजिशंस में मिथाइल है, 3 फिनाइल, 2 prop, 1 in al, propanol, and common name is cinnamaldehyde. Another example is this is the benzaldehyde, and IUPAC name is phenyl carbaldehyde. Another example of aromatic aldehydes: CHO, CH3. IUPAC name is 1-2 position ortho toluene benzaldehyde, and common name is the ortho tolu aldehyde. Another example: CHO, OH, 1-2 positions पे ऑर्थो, तो ऑर्थो हाइड्रोक्सी बेंजल्डिहाइड. कॉमन नेम इज सैलिसाइल एल्डिहाइड. नेक्स्ट क्लास इज कीटोन. कीटोन, द जनरल फार्मूला RCO R डैश. आर सेम भी हो सकते हैं, आर डिफरेंट भी हो सकते हैं. IUPAC नेम, UPAC नेम एल्केनोल ऑन. एल्क इज वर्ड रूट, एन इज प्राइमरी स्पिक्स, ऑन इज फंक्शनल ग्रुप, दिस इज द सेकेंडरी स्पिक्स. R both are same or are different, and this R is same. R is alkyl group and general formula CnH2n plus 1. The first member is CH3 CO CH3 1 2 3. तो word root हुआ prop, N primary spix, ON secondary spix. IUPAC name is propanone. Common name is acetone. मिथाइल ग्रुप एसिड लगा, ऑन लगा दो, एसीटोन, इट इज ए लिक्विड. अनदर एग्जांपल CH3 CH2 CO CH3 1 2 3 4. IUPAC नेम इज 2 ब्यूटेनॉन, और कह सकते हैं ब्यूटेन और ब्यूटेन 2 ऑन. कॉमन नेम इज, दिस इज इथाइल, दिस इज मिथाइल, इथाइल मिथाइल कीटोन. नेक्स्ट एरोमेटिक कीटोन्स. एरोमेटिक कीटोन, द एग्जांपल इज CO CH3, this is acetophenone. Another example is CO and this phenyl ring, this is benzophenone, benzophenone. Next is structure of carbonyl group. This is the carbonyl group, carbon double bond oxygen, and this carbonyl group consists of 1 sigma bond, 1 pi bond and 2 lone pair, and this carbon atom is sp2 hybridized and bond angle is 120 degree and structure is trigonal planar, and we can say the carbonyl group is planar. This about the structures of the carbonyl group is planar. Next is nature of carbonyl group. In carbonyl group, the carbon double bond oxygen, the oxygen is more electronegative than carbon, because on the Pauling scale the value of electronegativity oxygen is this 3.5 and carbon is 2.5, and difference goes to oxygen, and oxygen acquire negative charge, this acquire positive charge, and this undergo resonance, the resonance pi electron shift towards oxygen, because oxygen is more electronegative as compared to carbon, and oxygen acquire negative charge and carbon acquire the positive charge. This is positive charge, and we can say the carbonyl group is polar in nature, and the carbonyl carbon carbon of carbonyl group is electron deficient, it prefers to undergo nucleophilic addition reactions. That difference between this carbonyl and this carbon-carbon double bond, the similarities, the first, in carbonyl carbon, the carbon in both the cases, the carbon is sp2 hybridized. Second, they consist of one sigma bond and one pi bond. And dissimilarities, this is the polar in nature, the carbonyl is polar and the carbon-carbon double bond is non-polar. Second, the carbon, this bond length is shorter than this carbon-carbon double bond. And third is the dissimilarity, the carbonyl group undergo the nucleophilic addition reactions and carbon-carbon double bond undergo electrophilic substitution reactions. Next is synthesis of aldehydes and ketones, the method of formation of aldehydes. First is by oxidation of aldehyde, oxidation of the alcohols. The alcohol, primary alcohol, on oxidation with the strongest oxidizing reagent, the acidic potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7 and alkaline, this potassium permanganate, the both are strongest oxidizing reagents towards the organic synthesis. And this is the primary alcohol on this oxidation with the acidic potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7. This group change into this aldehydes, and oxidation of the secondary alcohols under this oxidizing reagent K2Cr2O7, and this secondary group change into the ketone. This is the ketone is formed. And the primary alcohol on oxidation give aldehyde, on further oxidation give the carboxylic acids. And Collins reagents, the Collins reagent is this dipyridine, the chromium trioxides complex is Collins reagent, and it is prepared by the chromium trioxide with pyridine to form this dipyridine, this chromium trioxide complex. It is known as the Collins reagents, and important reagents toward the organic synthesis. It oxidizes the primary alcohol into the aldehydes. Next method is from carboxylic acid and their derivatives. The four types of derivatives: acidamide, halide, ester acid and halide. And first is by pyrolysis calcium salt of acids. The pyrolysis, pyro means heat, lysis means to break, and this is the calcium salt. This is the calcium salt of formate. The calcium formate on pyrolysis, heating for 73 degrees Celsius temperature, and this is pyrolyzed and release this CuCO3, and formaldehyde is formed, and this is the CuCO3. This is the limestone or marble. And the calcium acetate, this is the acetate on pyrolysis give this acetone CH3 COCH3 and this is CaCO3 calcium. Next method, catalytic decomposition of carboxylic acid. D stands for removal. This is the carboxylic acid which have the general form RCOH, this OH, CO. On this catalyst, manganese oxide and some temperature range, and this release this water molecule and carbon dioxide, and the ketone or aldehyde is formed. Next method, from acid halide. This acid halides on reduction with this palladium, barium sulfate, the sulfur or boiling xylene, this reduced to form this aldehydes and this H2 liberate, and this reaction is known as Rosen-Mundt reduction. Next is reaction with dialkyl cadmium. This is acetyl chloride. This acid chloride react with this cadmium, this dialkyl cadmium, the dialkyl cadmium to form this acetone and this cadmium chloride. Next method is from nitrile or alkyl cyanide. This is the nitrile R carbon triple bond N and react with the Grignard reagent RMgX, and this is a organometallic compounds and organometallic compound which contain carbon metal bond, and this is carbon magnesium bond is polar. This acquire negative charge, this acquire positive charge, and the pi electron shift towards the nitrogen acquire negative charge, and this is the electrophile पे attack करेगा nucleophile, attack here and to form this product R carbon double bond N MgX, and on hydrolysis ये यहाँ से हाइड्रोलाइज होगा और हाइड्रोलाइज पे बनेगा इसमें this is the ketone or this ammonia and other side products.